everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we're going to do a simple quinoa fried rice. Now I'm going to use these veggies. You can use whatever veggies you have available at the moment in your fridge. Now we want to start by washing the quinoa thoroughly. I'm going to do that and return, but before I do so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Now I'm going to add my salt. Alright, so guys, to wash your quinoa, you can do so in a strainer. I had used 1 cup of quinoa. Now guys, we all know quinoa is a superfood. You can enjoy just the fried rice by itself, or you want to have it with additional protein. The choice is yours. I'm going to just do it and have it by itself today. Now we're going to steam the quinoa for around 20 minutes and then we return. Alright guys, let's take a look at our quinoa, and I've cooked my quinoa with a cup and 2 cups of water actually. Now you can see how nice and fluffy it is. The water is still under the bottom of the pot, so we're not going to turn it off just yet. But you want to just steam it, right? You don't want to put too much water because you don't want to get it too mushy either. So we're just going to continue cooking it. Alright guys, now that our quinoa is finished cooked, you can just fluff it up. It's looking so nice. What we're going to do is to just pour some of it out in a bowl to cool down quickly. So you can notice how the quinoa has doubled in size. This can share for around 2 persons or 3. So just cooling down some of it. Alright, to get started in frying your quinoa, we're going to add some sesame oil. I don't want you to burn the sesame oil if you do decide on using the sesame oil. Also, I think the sesame oil give it a real authentic Chinese flavor. We're going to go in with our garlic. Our ginger. Going in with our carrots. In with our onions. Broccoli. Sweet peppers. Some scallion. Going in with some green beans, guys. Corn. We want this to be filling. That's the idea. So when you eat this, you don't supposed to need anything else, right? And we want to keep the color vibrant looking. Going in with our quinoa. Smells so nice. Our soy sauce, and I'm using the light one. So I want to give this a nice spin. Very nice to carry as lunch or for dinner. Super easy to make. You can eat it by itself. Would you look at that, guys? The flavor is there. The aroma smells so nice. Now we're going to share it out. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Super easy, flavorful, and very nutritious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time. Bye.